What's up, everybody? Dan Warmby with Keller Williams, West Ventura County here. Hope everyone's doing great. So the California Association of Realtors housing market numbers for December are out, and they're pretty interesting actually. Our median home price in Ventura County was $740,000 in December 2020, and in December of 2021 we jumped up to $850,000. That's a year-to-year change of 14.9%. Although we did decline a little bit month to month from November to December, about $8,500, which is to be expected just because there's less demand over the holidays. So month to month, we dropped about 1% on the nose there. Sales activity dropped as well month to month, down 8.8% over the holidays. Year over year, we're also down sales-wise, 8.5%. Because we have still historically low inventory, the lowest supply of homes on the market on record actually, bidding wars are still pretty prevalent. About 58% of homes sold over ask, but interestingly, it took an extra day on average for a house to sell as opposed to December of last year. Well, that's a lot of numbers in a row, but what does it all mean? Well, I think there's a few headwinds actually in store for us in 2022. First, COVID cases are still surging, and that's introducing a lot of uncertainty into the market. You know, people have a hard time making long-term decisions when employers are opening and closing offices, and there really isn't a clear path on when we'll get back to whatever normal is now, and getting some clarity around whether and even if they'll need to come back to the office or if they could continue to work remotely would really help. And then we have inflation, which is really interesting in terms of its effect on real estate. You know, on the one hand, it likely means that the Fed will need to get more aggressive with the timetable around interest rate hikes. But on the other hand, real estate is a traditionally great inflation hedge. So, you know, increasing the basis rate will likely have a negative effect on the equities market. So people might tend to see buying a more expensive house or more rental property as a better place to park their capital than the stock market, which would tend to increase demand. But I mean, driving all of this, we're now in the 17th consecutive month with more than a 10% price increase since the summer of 2020. So, you know, consumers' desire to buy is getting really high to avoid getting priced out of the market. Well, that's it for now. I hope all that helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and have an awesome rest of your week, everybody.